Hey there guys, it's me Mantha, and today's video is going to be my story time video. Before we get into it, go check out my last video, also check out my channel, subscribe. So yeah, you can tell it's a different setting. This is actually where I post my music leads. Anyway, on to the stories. I put a poll out on Twitter, and somewhere on the screen, I'll figure it out later. And you guys, what my title should be and what I should talk about. And it was, I got attacked by a dog. Now, I have a dog. He is a mixed dog breed, and we still have him today. So I decided it would be smart to go get a new dog. I don't know why I thought of it. Anyway, so we went to the shelter, and I picked out this dog, and it was a girl. Because he's a boy. Female and males often are better than male, male, female, female. Even though that some dogs can be male, male, female, female, it's just better. They met, and this dog, literally, this is him going over to sniff her, and then this is her. Like trying to snap. She didn't bite him, but she snapped at him. Although she did bite him a couple times. We didn't really think about it, and we just went home with the dog. Took them out swimming for hours on end. It was like 5 hours. Sparky, which is the dog we have now, he's my baby boy dog. He was tired, and she kept snapping at him. And I kept trying to stop it. Like, no, you know, like, we didn't have, like, a collar or any sort of training materials at the time. Now, thinking about it, if I had that, it could have corrected the problem. About 6 hours after we've had her, so they were eating, and I think she had an issue with aggression. Food aggression. Not a little bit of one. And my dog got too close to her space, went like that to him. He went full out and bit her in the face, and she had a chunk. They were both pit, well, he's a pit mix, and she was a purebred pit. After that, they were pretty much just barking. He didn't really bite her after that. He just kind of did that as like a back off. Me and my mom actually had to break him up. I got bit in the process, and that bite was not a regular bite. I could show you my hand now today. I'm gonna pull up a picture of it though. This was really bad. So bad we had to go to the hospital. I had to go get stitches. And that was not fun. I could not handle it. I was shaking, and I had my hand, this was the hand like this, and I felt, I was so scared, like I didn't move it or anything. They're trying to stitch it, and I looked, and I threw up. No joke. Yeah, we were like about until 1 in the morning. This happened like at like 7 o'clock, and then we didn't get out till 1 a.m. Yeah, you can see it now. Yeah, so anyway guys, I'll see you later. Bye! See you next week.